Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Quirky Crate. My name is Deanna and we're going to get right into this Quirky Crate. I found this subscription box online when I was doing some research, and I would watch video after video after video of mostly a specific YouTuber, but I'd watch other openings as well just to see people's reactions. And I wanted this Quirky Crate subscription for about over a year, and I finally got it. This is my third box. So I have two other videos that you'll see on my channel of me opening up Quirky Crates for January, February, and this is the March box. Now Quirky Crate, it ships around this time of the month. So this is what, the 17th or the 18th. And it's full of little surprises in here. It always comes with a bag. It always comes with some kind of flair and some other items. It's supposed to come with a pin and perhaps a patch, but I have not got a patch yet, and I really want a patch. It retails, I want to say, for about $46. It's charged to your card every month, and every month, everyone that receives a Quirky Crate gets the same crate. So it's not like when you order another subscription box where people are specifically buying for your fandom, and then you open your box and your box it's pretty good, you know. You've got some things in there that you like, and then you watch another YouTuber open the same company, the same dollar amount that you spend, and they get fabulous things that, like, why didn't I get that? So maybe I just don't like that. So I like Quirky Crate because everybody gets the same thing. Now I went ahead and I ordered my daughter, I think it's called Quirky Post, where you get a pair of socks and 2 pieces of flair. I just ordered it for her so she has something good to look forward to each month. But without further ado, I'm going to get right into this box. Okay. And I always hate when people say, oh, and then look, you know, blah, blah. You guys already know what it looks like when you open one of these subscription boxes. This one always says, yay, happy meal. And then I just pull it apart and I'll show you guys what's in it. Now, ooh, first thing on the top, they always show you their featured artists. So their featured artists will have contributed in some way, some form to something here in this box. So this one is the Busy Beaver Button Company. So I imagine there is a button in here somewhere. And so the back here is the theme, and it's called Cottage Core is the theme. And here are all the items in the box with what they say the items cost or are worth. Now I'm going to tell you, sometimes I don't think it's really worth what they say it is. I think they overprice it. But even at that, you are getting such a bang for your buck. I think this is the best subscription box ever. Okay, so let me just get right into it. The first thing I see here is the iron-on patch. Life is better with a little flair. So this is my first piece of flair, and it looks like a mushroom with, I don't even have my glasses. Are they on my head? No. Looks like there's a butterfly or a bug on the top of it. I can't really tell. But this is it, little piece of flair. Now I saw another YouTuber, I think she's called Curvy Hips and Painted Lips. She is the cutest ever YouTuber. She opens these Quirky Crates. She's been doing it for a long time, so she has this denim jacket that she puts every piece of flair on. Very cool looking. Okay, let me dive into this box. The second thing I have here looks like some jewelry. So I think so far every month I got something to wear. This looks like it has stars and moons and a mushroom on it. How do I open this? Let's see. Okay, right here. So I am not that interested in the jewelry, but this is actually very cute. This is just a little simple piece of jewelry that you could put on. I've been saving mine for my little niece. Or maybe I should give it to my granddaughter. Look at how cute that is. Isn't that cute? The little stars and moons and the little mushroom in the middle. So already we've seen 2 mushrooms. It's got that kind of vibe. The next thing I see here is a quirky pin. Oh, this is kind of cute. The quirky pin. It's 2 flowers with, it looks like 2 diamonds or something. Quirky pin. That's cute. So everything in this box is kind of quirky. I got a pen with the shape of a flower. And keep in mind, the theme of this box is cottage core. Okay. One of the best things I like about this box are the socks that they give you. So far, this is my 3rd pair of socks from them, and I really love it. Look at how cute this is. Look at the little dog. Look at the little dog on the sock. And, you know, they always show this in the videos. The dog's not printed on. Look, the dog is actually in the stitching of the fabric that makes the sock, if that makes sense. But this is super cute. I just love the colors. Oh, this is what that artist must have made. The buttons. Stay wild, Moonchild. I don't know about that. Stay wild. Okay. So it says stay wild. And if you can see the different colors on here, it's kind of really muted tones. This one here is very hard to see, but it says stay wild. And then this looks like a moon and some wildflowers, and the other ones are strawberries. Okay, that's real cute. Little buttons. What is this? Obviously looks like some macrame. Let me see. It is macrame. What is it? Oh, it's a plant holder. Oh man, I love this. Guys, I love this. Look at this. It's a plant holder. It's gotta be. Look at the detail on that. Isn't that neat? See, these are the kind of things that you get in the Quirky Crate. You just never know what you're gonna get. And I have plants that could go in here. Okay, the last item. What I always look forward to, and I try not to see the spoiler on their Instagram, Quirky Crate Instagram. But I just love these little quirky purses. Okay, this one is in the shape, it's a little misshapen, of a strawberry. Look at the little strawberry. I guess it would be the little seed pits or whatever. These are little, what do you call those? I forget what they're called, but you know, they're golden accented. They're accented in gold. The little flowers that's on there. What's wrong with that? Okay, the little flowers that come on the strawberry plant. And inside here must be, yeah, the chain. This is the only thing I don't like, is a lot of the purses, even the Loungefly purses, they come with chains. Like, I'm over chains. But look at this little detail of a little flower on the pull. And my friend Ginger, she's one of my subscribers. She is very demanding as a subscriber. She acts like she's you know, a Patreon or something. She always wants to see me model the purse. So a little bit short for me, but actually very doable. If you can see the purse on the side. Oh, how cute is that? I don't know if it's cute for a almost 55-year-old lady, but it is super cute. So I want to just show you what I got. So this, I think this is so adorable. I got this, but also last month I got this little purse, and the month before that, for January, this is my favorite purse by far. I got this purse, and you gotta feel the quality of these bags. They are really good quality. Well, what I think is good quality. Now, if I get into this cottage core, what do they call that? Not cheat sheet, but whatever. It says the strawberry purse is $35. The mushroom patches are $5. Crystal enamel pins are $10. Fairy tale poppy socks are $8. Macrame planter is $12. Flower pen is $4. Mushroom necklace is $16. Stay Wild Moonchild button pack is $6. A total of $96. And, you know, I think I paid $46 with shipping. And yeah, these are all, actually, these are all pretty much priced correctly for this item. Guys, if you do not have a subscription to Quirky Crate, go and get one. For $40, you can open a box of fun, a box of quirkiness that can just make your day. And how cool are you gonna look out on the street with your strawberry purse this summer? You're gonna look real cool. Guys, don't forget to like if you like the video, comment what was your favorite item, and subscribe. You know, I've got to have the slowest growing YouTube channel in the history of mankind, but I appreciate each and every one of you that has subscribed. I truly do, and I really love reading the comments and getting to know people. So everybody, have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye-bye.